Hi, I'm Sarah Jane with the Buffalo Museum of Science, and I'd like to welcome you to Community Health Day at Home, sponsored by Independent Health. We would normally be getting ready to open our doors to the museum, but just like about everything these past 10 months, we're doing things a little differently this year. The museum may not currently be open on Mondays, but that doesn't mean we can't still celebrate the spirit of Community Health Day and explore health and wellness together. Thanks to the science of modern technology, we'll be sharing a series of videos from the museum, Independent Health, and a number of community partners to our YouTube and Facebook pages throughout the day. You can follow along in real time as we post every hour to our Facebook page, or check back later to see all the activities you may have missed. There's a lot of science between health and wellness, which is why we partnered with Independent Health to create our Health Sciences Studio, which I'm standing in right now. It's called Explore You, presented by Independent Health. In Explore You, you can investigate anatomy, biology, genetics, and examine important lifestyle choices that you can make to improve and maintain your health. The studio's interactive exhibits give a hands-on approach to health and explore the most recent advances in medical technology. Plus, you could learn about the achievements in health science that have been made right here in the Buffalo-Niagara region. So to kick off Community Health Day at Home, I'd like to start off with a little quiz using facts and information that you can find right here in Explore You. Are you ready? Okay, here's our first question.
Which sugar is the blood cell's main source of energy? Is it A, glucose, B, fructose, or C, galactose? If you guessed A, glucose, you're right. Glucose is the most basic sugar molecule. When we eat things like starch, lactose, sucrose, or other carbohydrates, our body breaks these down into glucose. Glucose is used by us and all living things as a source of energy. Next question. What is your body's outer defense system? Is it A, hair, B, skin, or C, nails? If you guessed B, skin, give yourself a pat on the back. Skin is our body's largest organ. It has up to 7 layers and helps to protect the bones, muscles, ligaments, and organs underneath. The outermost layer is called the epidermis. Final question. What is the target heart rate zone for a child under 11 years of age after exercising? Is it A, 130 to 140 beats per minute, B, 80 to 100 beats per minute, or C, 180 to 200 beats per minute? If you guessed A, 130 to 140, you're right. Your heart pumps blood throughout your body, and your blood carries oxygen. Your muscles and other cells in your body use that oxygen to function properly.
If you're interested in learning more about health sciences and the changes you can make to live a healthier lifestyle, stop by our Facebook page every hour today for tips on healthy eating, mindfulness, a beginner yoga session, and more. And you could also visit the Explore You Science Studio here at the Buffalo Museum of Science on weekends from 10 to 4. We'd like to thank Independent Health and all of our community partners for making this virtual day of health and wellness possible. And thank you for joining Community Health Day at Home. Check our Facebook and YouTube pages in an hour for our next video.